We're going to do a brief video on Tesla stock, TSLA, Tesla stock analysis. We've got a daily chart here for you with a 5-day moving average in green, a 20-day moving average in red, and a 200-day moving average in blue. Tesla right now is up $14 a share at $219.23. It's got a daily range today of roughly 209 to 219. Volume's 38 million shares on average, daily volume of 73 million shares. Tesla basically is coming up off a very low close that it made Friday. It closed at 204.99, and so a rally up to today is not unexpected. However, it's within Friday's daily range. Friday's range was 226 to 204. Tesla's range today again 209 to 219. So it is up $14, but it's no big deal from a technical perspective. It's just trading in its in Friday's daily range. Hasn't made a new high or a new low today, even though it's up 14 bucks, which is amazing. The reality of Tesla is it's got to get support. As we discussed in our last video, Tesla's in a very tricky situation here from a technical perspective. It's got on a daily chart, you can clearly see it's below the 200-day, below the 20-day. It's currently trading above the 5-day moving average, but that's just a little intraday blip that's probably not going to hold. If you take a look on the weekly chart, Tesla's got some very serious problems in terms of finding support here. Its next major support level is down around the $180 level, and we put out a video this weekend of discussing this. But Tesla is very dangerously close to heading down into the 180s if it doesn't get support here. This Friday support of 204.16 is a critical support area for Tesla. If it breaks through that, it's probably going to go into the 180s and probably the low 180s before it gets some serious support. You can see on a weekly chart, Tesla's below the 20-week moving average, below the 5-week moving average, above the 200-week moving average, and this 200-week moving average today is at about $157. Let's go on a monthly chart. It's really not good for Tesla on a monthly chart. Violated all of these previous support positions. Again, we're still looking at the $182 level down here for support, but Tesla's below the 20-month moving average and the 5-month moving average. Tesla is in a very bearish looking situation here, and there's really nothing between it and 100 in the low 180s, $181, $182 if we don't get some support here. So from all of those things, let's jump to the intraday chart here. We can see this is a 200-hour moving average. This red is 20-hour and the green is 5-hour. So you can see even on an hourly basis, Tesla's still in a very negative position. It is above the 5-hour and the 20-hour, but it's got a tremendously oversold condition on the 200-hour. We're due for a rally in Tesla up to about roughly the $235 level here, but the stock hasn't been doing that. So a normal situation, this gap that we see here between the 200-day moving average and Tesla's hourly prices is just way too wide, and as you can see, it's getting wider. So Tesla's clearly oversold here. There's no doubt about that. But has it corrected its oversold position anyway at any time during this decline? And the answer is no, it hasn't. So all the way back from September 22nd, it's been selling down and very, very gently moving up a little bit, selling down, very gently moving, crossing over. It's just not recovering, and that just shows you that at the slightest rally, even on an hourly chart, people are selling the heck out of Tesla. And you can see we have these new lows down here. This from Friday. So the bottom line of it is Tesla shows bear market, serious bear market on an hourly, daily, a weekly, and a monthly chart. So absent getting some serious support here this week, I think Tesla's going to go break this Friday low of 204 and continue on into a bear market. I'm not saying this is going to happen. I'm saying it's got to get some support or this is going to happen. So let's take a look real quick at our algorithmically generated entry prices for Tesla. We've got for the 1, 5, and 20-day holds, we have $191, $196, $202. The low today is 209, so we haven't seen any of those hit yet. Again, these are in today, out at the close of trading tomorrow, and so forth. 5-day trade, 20-day trade, and so forth. Let's go down and take a look at our 30-day trend following system for Tesla. These are out for today, the 17th. Tesla's a short at $226.26. That's a 30-day hold, so in today, out at the end of 30 trading days at a loss. Take your profits as soon as you get them if you can. Keep in mind, all for entertainment purposes only. You trade at your own risk. Can't use ours for anything other than entertainment. But that's where we are today. We are not low enough to hit our buy prices and not high enough to hit our short prices. And that's what's going on with Tesla. You can get access to all of our entry prices every morning before 7 a.m. at rbamresearch.com. There's a link in the description below. It's free. There's no credit card required. The link takes you over there. Put your email address in and get instant access. In addition to the stocks, we cover the major forex pairs, BTC crypto, the most liquid futures contracts, all free and all posted by 7 a.m. in the morning. Again, no credit card required. Keep in mind, everything you've seen and heard over here today is for entertainment purposes only. Can't use our information, our commentary, or prices for anything other than entertainment. You should always do your own analysis, and you definitely trade at your own risk. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. And if you have any great comments for us, we'd love to hear them in the comment section below.